folks, welcome back. Well, that was too much, but I am out here with Brandon, Derek. I just got out here. I'm not even sure what time it is, but we're gonna set up camp, organize everything, and then unload the quads and head on up the trail here. We're back in the same territory as me and Chantel. Well, the same territory that me and Chantel were around last weekend. That sounds better. Yes.
You got the pole? Grab the pole,
No more truck camping now, I'll tell you that. That was a rough, what was it, 3 nights in a truck? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, yeah, 3 nights with Chantel. Stuck in a truck, but we made the best out of it. Put a cooler and made ourselves comfy. But it's still a tight squeeze. This time, we're living good. Set up the tent, put out the cots. I never did bring a stove in. It's supposed to be -4 tonight and tomorrow morning, so it's gonna be chilly, but we'll tough it out once again. Always something, eh? Always something.
It's gonna be chilly, 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 Looks like I'm doing a rest. I look like I'm gonna work at home right away.
I'll give you guys a quick tour of our camp. Derek's bed will go right there, cooking over here, and whatever else right here, maybe some chairs and whatnot to get that out of there. Throw it under the bed. Y'all ready for this? I have to throw on my big coat. Might be a chilly ride coming back once the sun drops. Once the sun goes away, you tweet. Oh, I forgot how to work a zipper. We are back at the lake. Just missing Chantel. And I don't know. Maybe we'll sit here for a while and call, but it seems like the wind's picking up. Maybe it'll die down later. Just over here, there's some fresh moose tracks. Just over the hill there. Right there. Let's go for a walk with this. We only need one thing, and that's for this wind to die down so we can listen. Right now, moose can be calling and you'll barely hear him. You just might miss him too. By miss him, I mean miss his call. I'm leaning my camera on some poop. Doo-doo. We're back at the pond. And by pond, I mean the one that we shot our bull at last year. Listener part 2. Not sure what time it is. Just heading back up the trail here, but we stopped in this muskeg. Seen some fresh tracks, probably last night. We were calling just in the back over here, so maybe he came to us after we took off. We went back to camp there once it got dark, and I just went to bed. It was around 8 o'clock. We were surrounded by wolves all night. You can hear them howling around the camp. So, I don't know. There's the lake that we came to yesterday. Oh, we were across over there. Some big old turds here. Itchy nudes. And for some jab. Oh, that didn't work. Oh shit.
That's my bin.
here, eh? Are you serious?
You walked up this way.
Never mind. Keep going. Just a nick. Keep going. Can-Am down, belt blue. Everything's documented, eh? Goodbye, Can-Am. The poor belt hosts the cruiser over here. Ripping through the skeg. Me and Brad are gonna go look around. Try to find some fresh traz. Hey, Brad. He has 3 legs.
That's why I kept standing up.
What a poor bear, look at that.
Drop it. Drop it. Like it's off, like it's off.
One grunt, and that was it. Just behind here. Oh, 15 minutes after I called. That was it, boy. So I don't know. The wind keeps switching. Maybe he smelled this, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. plopping. Oops. I'm greasy, boy. I'm greasy. We got into a pretty sketchy situation there. We had a moose calling. You can hear him breaking sticks, just loud. Gave out a big grunt, but he wouldn't come out, so we waited a while. We heard him last night as well, so I was like, he probably won't come out, so maybe I'll just go in for him, try meet him. And yeah, I was walking there. After a while, I started walking with Brandon, and I see something in the distance, a black. I thought it was a moose or a bear, so I looked at my scope, and there was a guy waving, saying I was pointing my gun at him. Well, I was, but he's dressed in all black, looking like a moose. He's from Alberta, he said. He's been camping out there for a week with his dogs. He's hunting as well, but he said he's bow hunting. He doesn't like wearing orange. Told him to put on some bleeping orange, and we split ways. We went back, we came back, jumped in the side-by-side here, and here we are now. Crazy, boy. If that was the wrong guy, someone would have popped him. I'll tell you that. Gotta wear orange once you get on that main road. There's so many hunters over there, but out here it's not so bad. You never see anyone. This trail's blocked off, and we go way up there. But we still wear orange. When we leave, at least someone's wearing orange. I know I wasn't wearing it there yesterday, or the other day when we went up over there, but yes. So I guess we missed out on our moose. I think we're gonna make some more coffee, make a pot, load up a cooler, or cooking supplies, some gas, throw it in the side-by-side, and take off, go look around. We were gonna pack up camp, but maybe we'll just come sleep here again tonight. Well, we have to. We were gonna go elsewhere, but we'll just leave it here. Only one more night. We're going home tomorrow. Woo! Brandon nearly dropped an Alberta native. It's boy. Takai, oh, that's cold and freeze. We need the supplies here. I'm just kidding. Don't drink and hunt. Save that for camp.
Some coffee. That's all you need.
Or be like Brandon, have a strict woman. He can't do anything. No beer. No beer for him. Time for a greasy bannock burger. That's it for that, folks. We are packed and off home. No moose once again, boy. Should have just stayed back home. My brother dropped a moose there on the river. My oldest brother. So he's been pretty lucky this year. And for yesterday, we were plodding around all over at the side-by-side, three of us. Freezing, even the other day. And when I got back here, I had the chills. Jumped in my sleeping bag, went to bed, and I woke up feeling even worse. And now I'm sick. No moose, and getting sick, that's just no good. I'm not sure when I'll be out here again. Maybe next year. Maybe in 2 years, but maybe next week and I'll try somewhere else. Closer back home. But with that, I'm gonna go home, have a hot shower, jump in my bed. So, if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.